C. Karnataka. Area 1,91,791 square kilometers. Location Karnataka is the seventh largest state in India in area and eighth largest by population. It was formerly known as Mysore. Karnataka is situated on the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the southwest. It is divided into 30 districts. History The name Karnataka is derived from Karunadu, literally lofty land. In the 4th century BC, Karnataka was part of the Great Mauryan Empire. Sivamagiri is said to have been the southern capital of the Mauryas. About 30 BC, a local dynasty, Satavahana, came to power. The Satavahana Empire lasted nearly 300 years. With the disintegration of the Satavahana dynasty, the Kadambas came to power in the north and the Gangas in the south. The gigantic monolithic statue of Gomateswara at Sravanabelagola is considered to be a monument of the Ganga period.
By the beginning of the 6th century AD, the Chalukyas established a new empire. After the Chalukyan Empire, the Yadavas of Devagiri and the Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra divided Karnataka between them.
In the 14th century, the great Vijayanagar Empire was established. It was an age of glory and prosperity. A confederation of the Muslim sultans of the Deccan destroyed the Vijayanagar Empire in 1565 in the Battle of Tallikota. The vast ruins at Hampi near Hospet remain today as sombre reminders of Vijayanagar glory. In AD 1399, Eduraya, the ruler of a small principality, Mysore, founded the Vodiyar dynasty. Raja Vodiyar, AD 1578 to 1612, enlarged the principality into a mighty kingdom with Srirangapatnam as his capital. The Vodiyars were overthrown by Hyder Ali, the intrepid Muslim general of Mysore. With the defeat of Tippu, the son of Hyder Ali, by the British, the Vodiyars were restored to power as a feudatory of the British. During British rule, the Karnataka area was distributed among the princely states of Mysore, Hyderabad, and the British provinces of Bombay and Madras and the small principality of Cork. The formation of the present state represented the fulfillment of the age-old aspirations of Kannada-speaking people to come together in a single state. The old kingdom of Mysore formed the nucleus of the new state. Under the States Reorganization Act, the kingdom of Mysore gathered around the districts of Kannada, Bijapur, Dharwar, and the major portion of Belgaum district in the Gulbarga, Raichur, and Bidar districts from the princely states of Hyderabad, Dakshina Kannada district, excluding Kasargod Taluk from the old Madras Presidency and the whole of the Part C state of Cork. Capital Bengaluru. Language Kannada. Landforms Western Ghats are hilly, eastern part is the plateau, and the rest is the fertile plain. Climate The climate is moderate throughout the year. Rivers Krishna and Kaveri and their tributaries. Occupations Farming, fishing, mining, machine tools, watches, telephones, aircrafts, and agarbatti industries. Crops rice, jowar, ragi, coffee, millet, groundnut, and sesame are the important crops grown in Karnataka. Dresses kurta, dhoti or lungi, petta, angostra, kupsa, sari, pavadiyas. Fairs and festivals Dashara, Diwali, Eid, Christmas.
Places of interest: Garden City of Bengaluru, Palace of Mysore, Brindavan Gardens, Srirangapatnam, Hampi, Shravanabelagola, Bijapur, Kola Gold Mines near Bengaluru.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Karnataka is the seventh largest state in India in area and eighth largest by population. It is divided into 30 districts. 2. Many kingdoms ruled over Karnataka state. 3. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru and its principal language is Kannada. 4. The climate is moderate throughout the year. Krishna and Kaveri are the important rivers. 5. Farming, fishing, mining, machine tools, watches, telephones, aircrafts, and agarbatti are the important occupations.